Ali malungil silsil morar bekla. Gore ti al moment seringia. Agora togo bexel shora TMC. Mang akum dasor other belau ro guya di madengel was at Tenelle black merdra blue belau. Gore da malgal tangatan adra TMC. Malmlo do ore belut kul wase ngai galbek padengel abidian di halegi gura TMC. Le segi da klo mer la iseringi. Magi mal ngatenge mal mrenga sulel. Magote ngagi da Tenelle do okkortia. Era bo odo gera geringi di soal mo geringi lo se mel al kawam la misia ablur belau rogire.
Oi.
Gore sera mo mai sai gal blur belau rogir. Ngaral belu sel se em mul waseng ti ai gida gura mal klobo la adringi.
Nerd mouth.
Hey, okay, now we got that out the way.
Woo!
I'm gonna have that clip, and I'm gonna spray that thing on social media.
Woo, let's go.
Well, first of all, I want to say welcome.
Thank you.
And not just welcome home.
Welcome home.
I think that's something that we as Pacific Islanders, wherever we go, when we see the ocean, we're home.
Yes, we are.
And then, and so I want to just kind of give you a couple of minutes to say whatever you want to say to the rest of the population. I know they're all watching and excited. So.
Okay, Ali, everyone, Ali family. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful experience and a beautiful time for me to be here in Palau. I'm just very blessed and honored. So I just want to give a huge shout out to the team putting together this event for our island. I'm just an island girl, and I'm just proud to be here and to represent all of Polynesia, Melanesia, Micronesia. I'm like speechless, but I'm just really thankful to be here. That's all I gotta say. I'm really thankful and blessed, and I just want to give all the glory and honor to God, because without Him and His guidance with me and my music, I wouldn't be here in front of you today. And so I'm just really thankful. So from my family all the way in Carson, California, to Hawaii, to Samoa, we are in Palau, and it's an honor to be a Polynesian singer, performer, songwriter that represents and sings our stories of the ones before me and the ones that are going to come after me. So thank you for having me.
Thank you. And well, first thing I want to ask is, I was watching on social media and you said something about you haven't gotten your suitcases.
Oh, yes. Yes. So we flew in. It was a 20-hour travel. So it was beautiful sleep on the plane. But unfortunately, when we landed, our bags didn't make it. So yesterday we shopped at Palau Curtains. Yes, so we went shopping and had our whole outfit yesterday was sponsored by Palau Curtains. And today we got our bags this morning. Good. So thank you. Thank you, Melu.
Yes. Thank you, Melu. And that is something I constantly hear you say. And I want to kind of talk about that, because a lot of people, when they get famous, they forget all the blessings. And when I listen to you, you make sure that we all know that where it comes from.
Oh, yes,
and
definitely.
to thank God all the time. And I
yes.
think you all know that as Islanders, we are Christians.
Yes.
And so that is something that you haven't missed a beat on. And I do thank you for that.
Yes.
And also a role model for our kids and everybody else.
Thank
you. I gotta tell you, my daughters, I have two daughters that were so excited last night because I told them that I was going to interview you. And they were just on YouTube and they were watching. And I understand that there's a lot of Palauan girls talking about this and looking forward for the concert. So if you want to kind of touch up on the concert, the dates and everything.
Yes, so the concert's on Sunday. Tickets are still available. And oh my gosh, it's just going to be a full packed lineup of amazing music. I got to go and see the openers yesterday practicing, which was so amazing. it's just been beautiful. So you're just gonna experience just love. And I know that when a lot of people see me on social media, or whether it be YouTube or TV, they see themselves in me.
Yeah.
And so this is a chance for you to just come enjoy it with me. And I'll sing. I'm gonna sing straight to you guys. So it's just really an honor to be here. So tickets are still available, and prayerfully I'll be back. We'll work on that too. For the future, I always look towards the future for future shows. But right now, we're gonna live in this time, in this moment. So make sure you get your tickets so you can come and enjoy the moment with us. Yes. And Sunday Fun Day. That's us.
Sunday Fun Day at Maramalga, Long Island.
Yes.
Yes.
What
in
he
Coror
said.
State. Well, I want to thank you, but I know you have a lot of places to go to, and I am happy that you get to also experience the rain and wind.
Oh,
and
I love it.
Typhoon. Hopefully we don't get it, but it is what it is.
Yep.
But before you leave, I just want a quick question. If you had one wish to meet anyone from the past all the way to today, who would it be, and what would you talk about, and why?
Ooh, that's great. If I had one wish,
If you can go back.
if I can go back in time and
anybody.
talk to anybody, honestly, it would probably be my grandma. Yeah, because I was one when she passed away, and so I'm such a daddy's girl that I feel my grandma through my dad. But if I had the honor of meeting my grandma Tuele Isukwaya, I just want to have those conversations. And so yeah, I when I travel to Samoa and New Zealand, they all say that I feel that my presence is like my grandma. And so I just really wish I could meet her and just hug her and just have her love on me. I'm gonna get emotional. But yeah, I'd say my grandma.
That's the best thing about being a Christian.
I know.
You will one day, huh?
Yes, one day we will. We'll see her again one day. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for making
Appreciate
me
it.
cry
Yes.
on TV.
On TV. Worth now.
Yes, right? Oh my gosh.
All right, so
Not making me
that's
cry
it.
on national TV. Hold on, I gotta sing a song
Hey,
before I
let's
leave.
do this. Yes.
Hold on, I'm crying now.
Yes.
Okay, sorry. Okay, let's sing a song. Let's sing what song should we sing, guys? I'm gonna sing, this is our biggest song that's out, right? And this one's called Island King. And I hope you like it. And if you don't know it, just go on YouTube and listen to it so you can learn it before Sunday so you can sing along with us. Okay, here we go. Have you ever heard that untold story by my island king who fell in love with foreign? Well, he was never ever satisfied, 'cause he was raised on that island vibe. But I'm never gonna water down his glory. It's necessary that my warrior adores me. Please don't take it personal. Come on, sing with me. Problems of a brown-skinned girl, yeah. Well, I'm not knocking on my phone when Queens, I love ya. If it's you he loves and ain't no one above ya. We're a dying breed and I'm just trying to preserve our culture and bloodline. So don't take my words and twist them or distort me, or push that propaganda for them to ignore me. Please don't take it personal. Problems of a brown-skinned girl. You never have to worry about how I feel about you. Yeah, you know I got you. Baby, if you just paid attention to my actions every time I'm around you. Yeah, you know I got you. See, we were put on this earth to love you only and no other. Yeah, you know I got you. You're the missing piece to my puzzle, my best friend, my husband, my lover. And I love you forever. Thank you for having
let's just say TMC.
TMC.
TMC is the
Let's
place to
go.
be.
TMC is the place to be. Thank you
Much
so much, bro.
appreciated.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, now up next. Thank
Let's
you.
go. Woo!